Yeah, well, I would say this is a great course to update yourself on where dopamine cell therapies are with respect to Parkinson's disease. And even if you are not interested in yourself, I can tell you your patients and their families are. So to have a source, a resource which you could go to and quickly get an up-to-date, realistic sort of account of where this therapy has got to, I think, is something everybody should do. And we should do it in other areas of neurology and in Parkinson's. So we should all be keeping ourselves up to date in all aspects of what we deal with.
Agreed. I think this is, something that's relevant not just to subspecialists like me who focus on Parkinson's disease, but to all neurologists, simply because Parkinson's is so common, right? So it doesn't matter if you're a stroke specialist or if you're a specialist in autoimmune neurological disorders, you are going to be seeing people who either have Parkinson's or know someone who's been affected by it. And I just think for this course, I think it's very well rounded. It gives a broad overview, but with enough of the details. And as you mentioned before, pointers to more resources that it's really going to help clinicians to be able to counsel their patients.
And you raise a great point, Claire, that this type of therapy for Parkinson's is going to apply to other areas of neurology. So this is, so, just to give the two examples you gave, stroke, people are talking about stem cell therapies for stroke. Autoimmune encephalitis, people are thinking of using sort of stem cell or engineered T cells to switch off immune responses to these diseases. So the future of medicine and neurology is going to involve stem cells for different diseases, different types. And this just happens to be one of the front runners.
Well said.